So today's topic is invocation or Mangalacharan of Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat. Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat is a Bengali text. But there is a Sanskrit verses are quoted, and there are many Sanskrit verses as we see in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. All these followers of Lord Chaitanya were great scholars. And the scholarship of these followers of Lord Chaitanya is celebrated all over the world. And in fact, in Banaras Hindu University, there is a whole department to study Sri Jiva's work, Sri Jiva Goswami's works. So, this is a brief introduction. There are five verses in the Mangalacharan of Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat. And these are supremely important prayers. Very good if somebody can recite daily. And they are very important prayers of our Sampradaya. So the first verse, a very important verse, Ajanu Lambita Bhujo Kankavadato Sankirtanaika Pitaro Kamalaya Taksho Vishwambharo Dvijavaro Yugadharma Palo Vande Jagat Priyakaro Karunavataro. It's a Sanskrit verse, but in Bengali script, not Devanagari. In fact, a lot of Goswami works are in Bengali script, not in Devanagari. So the first verse, we'll just quickly go through these five verses here, and that will complete our introduction to the invocation. Very quickly. Ajanu Lambita Bhujo, the Lord's arms. Now this is a plural. These are the adjectives and verbs. So this is referring to Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda. So Ajan both have this. Everything applies to both the lords, because they are though two forms, but they are one body. Nityananda and Sri Chaitanya, Krishna and Balaram. So Ajanu Lambita Bhujo, their arms are they touch their knees. They are very long armed lords. Kankavadato, they have the their bodily hue is golden. Sankirtanaika Pitro, they are the actually originators of this Sankirtana movement. They are the one who propagated and who initiated this whole movement, Kamalaya Taksho, and their eyes are like lotus flower. Vishwambharo, they are the maintainers of the universe, both material and spiritual. Dvijvaro, best of the Brahmanas. Yuga Dharma Palo, and they are the Yuga Dharma, the religion for this age, they are actually maintainer of this Yuga Dharma. Vande Jagat Priyakaro, I bow down, Vande, to the Lord, to both the Lords who have come, who for the welfare of all living beings in this world, for the welfare of the world, and Karuna Avataro. They are the incarnations of mercy, compassion. So this is the first invocation. Now we come to second one. Okay, so the second one is Namastrikala Satyaya Jagannathaya Sutaya Cha Sabhratyaya Saputraya Saklatraya Te Namaha. So the author Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur is praying, Namastrikala Satyaya, I bow down to the Lord who is the absolute truth in past, present and future, Jagannath Sutaya Cha, and he is the son of Shri Jagannath Mishra, Along with him, I pray Sabhratyaya to his servants, to his associates, Saputraya, Putraya, his sons. Now we know the Lord had no children. He married twice, but then at the age of 24 he took sannyasa, but he had no children. So what does this word putraya means? So putraya means, this word putraya means the Goswamis, his followers, who propagated his cult, his teachings. And also Putraya means the processes of devotional service headed by Sankirtana that he initiated. That is Putraya also. And Sakalatraya, concerts. Kalatraya is concerts. So, who are those concerts? Concert, we have Vishnu Priya, then Lakshmi Priya. So Lord's potencies are represented by these kalatras, these concerts. Bhu, Shri, Neela potencies. Bhu is Vishnu Priya, Shri is Lakshmi Priya, and Navadvip Dham, the holy land of Navadvip, the Dham itself, abode, his eternal abode, is manifest out of Bhu Shri Neela Shakti, is a representation of Neela Shakti. And also his associates like Narhari Thakur, like Jagadanand Pandit, like Gadadhar, all these incarnations and his potencies are referred to by the name of Kalatraya. Okay, Te Namaha, I bow down. Number 2. So now we come to number 3. Okay, so yeah, here we go. This is okay. It's behaving a little erratic sometimes. Okay. Number 3. Avatirno sakarunyo parikshino sadishwaro Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityanando do bhrataro bhaje. Avatirno sakarunya, out of their great compassion. Parikshino, the Lord is in a hidden, he is Parikshina. He is not appeared as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sadishwaro, the eternal Supreme Lords. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda, do bhatro, 2 brothers I worship. So this is the 3rd verse. Then we have the 4th. Sa jayati vishuddha vikrama kanakabha kamlayate kshanah varajanu vilambi shadbhujo bahuda bhakti rasavinartakah. This 4th, this is a Bengali numerical 4. So this is a prayer to Shadbhuj Gauranga. Gauranga with the six-armed form, Shadbhuja. Sa jayati vishuddha vikramaha. All glory is to the Vishuddha Vikramaha, the performer of all wonderful pastimes, Kanakabha, golden-hued and lotus-eyed Lord, and Varajanu Vilambi Shadabhujo, and his arms, 6 arms are beautiful, 6 arms are touching his knees. Bahuda Bhakti Rasavinartakaha. The Lord dances in many ways, in many wonderful ways, and enjoys his pastime enjoys with devotional mellows. So I worship Let all glories to such Lord. Now the Shadbhuj Gauranga, the six-armed form, the Lord, six-armed Lord, his six arms are two arms of carrying flute is Krishna's arms, and the two arms carrying bow and arrow of Lord Rama, and two arms of Lord Chaitanya in his sannyasi form, carrying a danda and a kamandalu. So this is a six-armed form. So the last one is this one. Okay. Jayati Jayati Deva Krishna Chaitanya Chandro Jayati Jayati Kirti Tasya Nitya Pavitra Jayati Jayati Bhritya Tasya Vishvesha Murter Jayati Jayati Nityam Tasya Sarva Priyanam. Jayati Jayati, all glories and all glories, let the Lord be victorious. Deva Krishna Chaitanya Chandra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, appearing as devotee, and all glories and all glories to Kirti Tasya, all glories to his glories, which is eternal. His glories are eternal and transcendental. And all glories, Jayati Jayati Tash Bhritya, all glories to his servants, his associates, Tasya Vishvesha Murte. So the Lord is in his eternal form. He is the Lord of all the controllers of the universe. Vishveshas, those who are controlling. He is the Lord of all the lords. And all glories and glories to his nritya, dancing. And Tasya, his Sarva Priyanam, his dancing and the dancing of his Sarva Priya, his associates, his servants. Not only Lord dances wonderfully, but all his associates, in the company of his associates when he dances, this is most wonderful. Hare Krishna.